Hey folks! Today we're diving into a special unboxing of Leafy Affairs Cosmic. Let's unveil the magic. Opening up this box, the packaging itself is truly exciting. Inside the box, we find a beautiful cloth pouch. Opening it up, there are two separate packets waiting to reveal their contents. One packet holds the pendant, and the other the chain. Let's open up the pendant packet and connect it to the chain. As we assemble the pendant onto the chain, it's ready to be worn around the neck. And there you have it! This necklace, born from the Lovejoy Comet's inspiration, is now a wearable universe. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing journey.